Welcome back to Heritage Blades. I've got a question. I picked this up last week. It's a old wood turn lathe, and I don't know much about lathes. I've been looking at them now. I thought, well, that'd make it easier for me to turn like tomahawk handles and whatnot. But I've got a question. My question is, what size motor do I need, and so on and so forth. What kind of knives I need, or bits, whatever you call them, to do this. But I'm going to show it to you here. It's the old style. It's not got bearings in there. You got oil port oilers here, so on. It is, the rail on it is around 31 inches long, so probably do something up to I'll say inch there. We'll say 4 inches, 31. 31. You do it something up to 25, 26 inches long on it. They had an extension for the back, but about a 12-inch extension that come with it, but it's in pieces. It's all cast. This bottom is cast. I can't really find no numbers on it anywhere. No tag. Looks like there might have been a tag right there, but I can't get nothing show up. Maybe if I sand on that a little bit, brush on it a little bit, I might be able to find something, but it don't look like anything's there. It all seems to work good and good operation. I've got. The reason I'm asking this, I picked up a 1/4 horsepower motor. It's an old motor along the same lines. It's got the old oilers in them and so on. I picked this up for another project, but I don't think the 1/4 horsepower would be big enough for me. But I was wondering, my question is would the 1/4 horse be big enough for this lathe? I'm thinking this turns it's 1725, so 1,725 RPMs, which that could be adjusted. Luckily it had the variable speed pulley on it. This one's got the variable speed, so I can set the speeds on it. But I'd like to know if that 1/4 horse will work on it. If you would, just please comment. So on. I can't afford to go out and get. Cheapest one I found was probably about $500 or $600. I can't remember, but I picked this one up for $40. But I just like to know about the motor size and the RPMs. What kind of motor size you would suggest, how many RPMs you would suggest, and basically I'll be, like I said, I'll just be turning handles with it. All them right there's all my forge stuff, tongs, hammers, so on. If you're seeing that there in the background. thanks for watching. Just please comment below. Let me know what your suggestions are. And thanks for watching. And I'll be putting some more videos up soon. Thank you.